Hey, I just wanted to shoot a quick video to let you know I taped this yesterday and I started to top it. I ran all the corner beads in here. I put all the corner beads on, I ran all the corner beads. And then this is what I like to do when I know I can't top the whole thing complete. I like to at least, especially for a big ceiling like this, split the butt joints. So what I did was I ran the 10 box on all the butt joints. Let me show you. So all the butt joints have been split. Now I'm going to come back, I'm going to run the seams out. I'm going to box right down the center of these butt joints to start to cross them off. This is a huge ceiling. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18. There's at least 20 12-foot sheets on the ceiling. And there's a lot of butt joints up there too. But this is such a huge ceiling, but if I'm boxing the center of these butt joints down, are they going to be flat? Let me get in a better light here. This camera's not working very well. The other thing I wanted to show you is there's a lot of plaster repair. Oh, the furniture. There's a lot of furniture in here. I'll show you. Okay. But what I did is I got it split so I can get right in between all of it with my seams. I should be able to reach over it, see, but there's no place for the furniture. So we just kind of set it up in the center of the sheets so I can get around it and get through it. It's not the most ideal thing. What's going on here? It's not the most ideal thing, but hey, when you have to work around it, you have to work around it sometimes. It's all covered very well. It's not going to be messy, so it should work. You guys, I'll talk to you later. And we just want to say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say it louder.
Subscribe.
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 Did you want to say anything? Did you want to say that the drywall doctor is awesome?
The drywall doctor is awesome.
This is my grandson, by the way, and this is our next line of drywall doctors. You guys have a good day. Say it.
Have a good day.